there's definitely a couple that are good, but I think there's an underlying issue with most of them where it's as if journalists' jobs functions the same way as it does for YouTubers, where they're paid for clicks on their articles. So they're highly motivated to get more people to read their article, and that leads to a lot of clickbait. It leads to a lot of hot takes. And it makes me wonder what happened to journalism when it used to be subscription based, so they didn't have to rely on these tactics. That being said, why do we as an audience care about any of these sites anyway? Just because they have a news website, we give it some sort of voice of authority.